In this video tutorial, we'll guide you through the easy steps to download GTA Vice City on your laptop or PC. Let's get started. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe this channel and like this video for more tips. Step 1. Using Rockstar Games. Begin by opening your web browser and heading to Google. Type Rockstar Games in the search bar and hit enter. Locate the official Rockstar Games website in the search results and click on it. Once on the website, use the search bar to look for GTA Vice City. Browse through the available games, and there you'll find GTA Vice City. This is your first option to download the game. Step 2. Using Steam. Open a new browser tab and search for Steam. Go to the official Steam website and click on Login. If you already have an account, simply log in. Otherwise, create a new account by following the sign-up process. After logging in, use the search bar on Steam to look for GTA Vice City. Select the game and enter your date of birth when prompted. Click on View Page, and as you scroll down, you'll find the premium edition of the game. To download, click on Add to Cart and complete the purchase by selecting Purchase for Myself. That's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily download GTA Vice City on your laptop or PC. Choose either Rockstar Games or Steam, and you'll be ready to enjoy the game in no time. Happy gaming.